There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in bright white. With bi-XENON HID headlamps, headlamp washer, 20-inch black satin aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 180 mph primary speedometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, park view rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, SELEC-TRAC system, second row heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number CS1004.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.